For those who are not familiar with Delivety, it is a powerful all-in-one online food ordering management system designed to boost the efficiency of your food delivery operations, from order taking to food preparation, and from dish assembly to order delivery. Visit Delivety.com to learn more about Delivety. This video will show you how to create order assembly users and distribute their workflows within the Delivety platform. Please follow the links in the description of this video to create your account with Delivety if you haven't done this yet. You will also have to add your dishes using the Delivety menu builder. Once you've created your account with Delivety and added your dishes to the menu, open your Delivety Admin Panel and select the Users section. Here, you can add your kitchen staff, assign them roles, and, as a result, automate your kitchen workflows. As you can see, there is already one user, that is you, who is the administrator on the account. Let's start by clicking there. Your user now has all the privileges and can access everything in your account. If you scroll down, you will see that all the domains, dashboards, locations, and dish types are enabled by default. But, since you won't be the only user, you will have to create accounts for your kitchen staff as well. To learn how to create accounts for your cooks and automate dishes distribution between them, click on the link in the description of this video. What makes Delivety stand out from other order management systems is its addition to kitchen screens for cooks with the assembly screen to ensure that orders are dispatched with no dishes getting missed. Now, as we are done with cooks, let's create a user who will be responsible for assembling dishes into orders. Of course, this job can be done by any of your cooks, and if this is the case, you have also to assign one of them, or even all of them, the assembly dashboard alongside the kitchen one. However, in our case, this will be a separate person. This person will be responsible for assembling the right dishes into correct orders bags, which is crucial when you deliver a high amount of the orders and don't wish your cooks to be distracted from their processes. Let's add this user as the order assembler and assign him the assembly dashboard. You will also need an operator or dispatcher user to accept the orders, or you can skip this step if you are going to do it yourself. Now, as you have all the users in place, do not forget to share their user pins and your company pin with them. Now let's see how things work. Go to the Domain section and click on your domain. Copy the URL address of the Delivety app. You will have to share this URL with all your users. They will use it to log into the application. Now press the Log Out button and you will see the Admin Panel login screen. As we're not going to log in as administrators, but as regular users, let's paste the Admin Panel URL with the Delivety app URL login. It always looks like your.domain.delivety.com/app. You will see the Delivety app login page. Dial your company PIN. Now, select Operator and dial his user PIN. You will see the empty operator dashboard with no orders yet. Let's create your first order. You can do it either by pressing the Create Order button if your customer calls you to place the order, or your customer can place an order on the food ordering website. In our case, a customer places an order on the ordering website we've just created with Delivety. The customer has ordered sushi, a pizza, some salad, and 2 burgers. Now let's check out. Fill in the order details and press the Checkout button. Now let's switch back to the operator dashboard and click on the order we've just received. Let's confirm it by setting its dispatch time. It becomes confirmed immediately, and now your cooks will be able to start working on dishes. Let's exit the operator dashboard and log in as the order assembler. As soon as cooks prepare the dishes, they become available for assembling into the orders bags. As you can see, some of the dishes are already prepared, like the burgers and the pizza, while others are not. The orders assembler can assemble these dishes into the order immediately, then switch to assembling another order to save time. Once the cooks have prepared all the dishes in this order, they are marked as ready. Now the assembler can complete the order and pass it to the courier for dispatch. That was an example of how you can distribute dishes between cooking stations in a very simple case when you only have one kitchen operating under one brand. But what makes Delivety unique is that you can do the same for multiple kitchen locations and multiple brands. This means that you can orchestrate your workflows under one account as your business grows. Delivety allows you to combine these workflows within your brands and locations in an unlimited number of ways, and this is only a small fraction of what you can do with Delivety. Please follow the links in the description of this video to learn about Delivety.